Welcome back to Atlas Garage. Wednesday evening. As you can look and see, it's been raining most of the day with thunderstorms. We've got some potential bad weather moving in tonight, but for the time being, I need to get hood pins installed. So, what I'm going to do is, I've already looked where I want them. I'm going to mount them right here. Should put them right about there through the hood. And yes, I do currently have my throttle body off and all covered in plastic there because I have another project in the works, as well as the power steering and the hydro assist and the floor project. Yes, I've got a lot of things going on my Jeep right now. Anyways, let's get these holes drilled and pins installed. We have holes drilled for the pins and the pins installed. Now, in order to get marks up on my hood, I'm going to stick a little wheel bearing grease. Hopefully not drop it there. Oh, looky there. Hello, Mr. Benny. Surprised my dogs aren't going absolutely bonkers. He must not be looking out the window and watching me. Anyway, we'll glop some grease on there, on the ends here. Just like that. Dun-dee-dee-dee-doo. Let you look at the sky. Drop the hood down. Lift it back up. Let you guys look at the sky again. And now I have marks on my hood. So let's get these drilled. Be right back. Alright, we've got the holes drilled, and I got the height set on the pins. Let's get our scuff plates installed. Alright, I got my scuff plate slipped upside down, the dull side up, so I can mark my holes. Now I prefer to use pop rivets for the scuff plates versus the screws that come with the kits. Screws are not all that great, and they've rusted in about 3 days. So anyways, get these holes drilled, scuff plates put on. Alright, we have our scuff plates mounted. And like I said, I use pop rivets because the aluminum doesn't rust. The trick is here, even though I marked all four, is you drill one, put one pop rivet in, come across, do your second pop rivet, put it in, and then do the next two. Because if you try to do them all four at once and not put your pop rivets in, I can guarantee you by the time you get to your third one, nothing's going to line up. It's just the way life is, it is, when you hand drill. So exit, just put the first one in, put the second one in, drill your 3 and 4 after that. So that way you don't have so many weird holes. Anyhow, at this point, it's just getting ready to put the clips on, but I do have lanyards. So let's get the lanyards mounted and get the clips put in. All right, I got my lanyards attached. Thankfully, Comanches and Cherokees of this vintage have 4 bolts that mount this upper core support, which also used to contain the radiator, but since mine's in the back, it's all open. Notice I did also keep my safety catch, just in the event that if I do something stupid like forget to put my pins back in, that my hood's at least will jump up a little bit and give me a warning before it slaps me in the windshield, or at least kills my light bar. So anyway, I got the lanyards on, pins on the end. See what it looks like all finished. And there you have it. Got the hood pins on, lanyards, front there, so I don't lose my pins. Race Jeep. Whatever. Anyways, this is a quick little project. Not too expensive to do. The reason I did it is because I kept breaking hood cables. Also a common issue with Cherokees and Comanches of this vintage. Plus, as much as abuse this gets, this is a trail Jeep. I think the hood eventually just binds up, and the hood latches, the factory ones just get jammed up, and it's just too much for the cable. I've broken 2 of them now on here. I'm just done with it. Like I said, I did leave the safety catch. If I do forget the pins, the hood's not going to come flying crazy up anyway. But anyway, that was garage on a weekday evening here. Trying to get a little project done before the rain moves back in. Let's see if we get some thunderstorms and possible tornadoes. I'm hoping we don't, because tornadoes are bad. But you know, I do live here in Ohio, and I'm not far from Xenia, which is a well-known town if y'all want to look that one up. Anyway, Zatwood's Garage. If you like what you see, please like, subscribe, comment below, hit the bell. Anyways, you have a good day.